Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to connect Stripe to Shopify. If you want to set the Stripe as your payment method for the Shopify, then I'll show you how it can be done. So first you have to go to the Shopify store. Once you're on your Shopify, then you have to click on the settings. Once you click onto it, then these options will open. Then you have to go to the payments. Once you get there, you will see this option, choose a provider. Click onto that option and then you will see the option for Stripe. If you couldn't find it, you can find the search bar at the top. You can also search for Stripe there. Simply click onto it, and after that it will install the Stripe app in your Shopify store. On this page you have to click on install and the Stripe app will get installed in your Shopify. Then you have to simply search for the Stripe. You will get there. You have to simply log in with your account. If you don't have an account, then you have to simply sign up using your Google account, and after that you have to click on connect. But if you don't have the account already, then it will ask you some of the options that you have to answer. So if you don't have the account, you have to create the Stripe account. You have to add your business details. Later on it will ask you a lot of questions based on your business, like your payment methods. So you have to fulfill all their options and then your Stripe account will be created. Once you click onto it, you have to just simply make sure all these sections are done. Then your Stripe account will be created. Then you have to go back to your Shopify, go to the payments, go to choose a provider, and then you have to simply go and select the Stripe. And once you go there, you will see the option for connect. Then through that your Shopify and Stripe will get connected. So that's how you will be able to connect your Stripe to your Shopify. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.